my learning English channel. Hello friends, I am Vishnu. This is my learning English channel. In these videos, we will learn when we use simple present tense. Let's start. We used simple present tense to talk about action that happens in day-to-day life. For that purpose, we used simple present tense. Simple present tense. In these videos, we will learn how to make affirmative sentences in simple present tense, how to make negative sentences in simple present tense, how to make interrogative negative sentences in simple present tense, and how to make questions in simple present tense. Formula 1. First, subject divided two parts, singular and plural. First person singular I and first person plural we. Then second person singular you, one person, plural you, more than one person. Then third person singular he, she, plural they, singular it, and Mukesh, any name. Affirmative sentences formula in simple present tense. Subject first plus verb first form plus s or es plus other words. I, you, we, they, subject, verb work first form plus other words at IT company. He, she, it, Mukesh, works, we use here s, at IT company. Affirmative sentences in simple present tense. I work at IT company. You work at IT company. We work at IT company. They work at IT company. He works at IT company. She works at IT company. It works at IT company. Mukesh works at IT company. Negative sentences formula in simple present tense. Subject first plus to be plus not plus verb first from plus other words. I, you, we, they, do not, short form don't, verb work first form at IT company. He, she, it, Mukesh, subject, does not, short form doesn't, work verb at IT company. Affirmative sentences, negative sentences. I work at IT company. I do not work at IT company. You work at IT company. You do not work at IT company. We work at IT company. We do not work at IT company. They work at IT company. They do not work at IT company. He works at IT company. He does not work at IT company. She works at IT company. She does not work at IT company. It works at IT company. It does not work at IT company. Mukesh works at IT company. Mukesh does not work at IT company. Affirmative sentences and negative sentences. We use here do not and does not short form. I work at IT company. I don't work at IT company. You work at IT company. You don't work at IT company. We work at IT company. We don't work at IT company. They work at IT company. They don't work at IT company. He works at IT company. He does not work at IT company. She works at IT company. She doesn't work at IT company. It works at IT company. It doesn't work at IT company. Mukesh works at IT company. Mukesh doesn't work at IT company. Interrogative negative sentences formula in simple present tense. To be first, then not, plus subject, plus verb first from, plus other words and question mark. To be not, do not, short from don't, IU with the subject, verb first from work, other words at IT company and question mark. Does not, short from doesn't, he, she, it, Mukesh, work, verb first from at IT company and question mark. Affirmative sentences, interrogative negative sentences. I work at IT company. Don't I work at IT company? You work at IT company. Don't you work at IT company? We work at IT company. Don't we work at IT company? They work at IT company. Don't they work at IT company? He works at IT company. Doesn't he work at IT company? She works at IT company. Doesn't she work at IT company? It works at IT company. Doesn't it works at IT company? Mukesh works at IT company. Doesn't Mukesh work at IT company? Question sentences formula in simple present tense. To be first, then subject, plus verb first from, plus other words and question mark. Do, I, you, we, they, subject, verb first from work, other words at IT company and question mark. Does, he, she, it, Mukesh, subject, verb first from work at IT company, other words, question mark. Affirmative sentences, question sentences. I work at IT company. Do I work at IT company? You work at IT company. Do you work at IT company? We work at IT company. Do we work at IT company? They work at IT company. Do they work at IT company? He works at IT company. Does he work at IT company? She works at IT company. Does she work at IT company? It works at IT company. Does it work at IT company? Mukesh works at IT company. Does Mukesh work at IT company? Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel because I upload new video every day. Thank you.